Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, as you can see, I am still hanging out in the garage, getting it together and organized. If you guys have not seen my previous video of me building the garage shelves, definitely go and check that out. But today I am hanging pegboards in my garage. This is just a really easy way and neat way to hang up some of my power tools, my hammers and paintbrushes, just to finally get some organization to it and get it up off the floor. And how I always start is, of course, locating these studs in the wall, which that's what I was using my stud finder for. And I was now just trying to position and see where I exactly wanted my pegboards to hang. When installing pegboards on your wall, you do first have to hang I decided to use a 1x2. I am going to just screw that directly into the stud for support, and I will be hanging the pegboard on to this 1x2. And you guys, one of the methods I like to use when I am going to be screwing wood right directly on the wall for support, I always like to first screw in the center of the wood there, as you can see, and then I place my leveler on top, and this just allows me to kind of play and maneuver it so that I can make sure I am nice and leveled before adding the additional screws. Once I have the 1x2 installed, I can then go ahead and install the pegboard. And as you can see, I am just taking some screws and the pre-drilled holes that are already there, I just kind of screw in some additional ones to go ahead and hang up the pegboard. And you repeat the same step for the bottom as well. A 1x2 underneath it, and then a couple of screws on top just to make sure the pegboard is sturdy and does not move. So these pegboards I picked up at my local Lowe's. I also got a bunch of these nifty hooks and baskets to use for this pegboard. I will be sure to link any of the products below in case you're interested. And again, I really love the pegboard idea. I'm actually highly considering coming back at some point and maybe painting these boards just to kind of jazz it up a little bit. Again, so all of these hooks and baskets that I did use, I found at Lowe's, and I do love that I can just kind of move and play with them until I got positions where I was really liking how my tools set. So I'm just kind of cleaning stuff off with my little brush there, stuff that had sawdust on it, and just kind of playing around and seeing what I like. So as you guys can see, I was able to get my pegboard all nice and organized. I was even able to hang my super large clamps and my ladder. So now I am just organizing my work table here. Currently, I only have one outlet on this wall, which is definitely not the most functional for me. So at some point, I'm definitely thinking that I need to reach out to my electrician and have another outlet installed. But right now, I feel like this is how I will make do. I also even plan on maybe installing some cabinets down there at some point, just to get a little more function out of this space. So again, you guys, make sure that you check out my previous video on how I built these garage shelves. OMG, you guys, I already love the function that they have added to my garage. As you can see, I picked up these really nice storage containers. I picked all of these up at Target. They were super perfect for the random items that I needed to store away. And as you can see, I just had Derek there helping me. Some of those were a bit heavy. But you guys, I absolutely love how my shelves came out. In addition to my shelves, if you guys have seen on my Instagram before, I absolutely love this garage storage lift. It just helps me get some of those random items or more seasonal items out of the way. It's super cool. As you can see, I just use my power drill to lower into my liking. And I'm just throwing a couple of wreaths and random things that I just had kind of laying around. I'm just going to store it there. And once I have it in place, I can just reel this baby back up. It is super neat and super handy. And you guys, here is my freshly organized garage, you guys. You do not know how happy I am, and even Derek, to finally have my garage organized. I do have this huge pile of lumber, which is next on my list to tackle. I will be creating some kind of storage system so I can go ahead and get this off the floor. And then once I do that, I will be looking to finally do something to my garage floors. Epoxy is definitely looking like my way to go. So you guys, make sure you stay tuned for that. But for now, I am so pleased with my organized garage. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions on any of the items that I shared here. And I definitely look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.